Hello Bella babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brown Girl Bella here, back to give you more lips, lashes, and luxury. And today is a special kind of video for me. It's the why the heck did I buy that video. You know, I have to laugh because as I was packing to move, as you all know, I recently moved. I saw these products and I was cleaning out my drawers and I was like, oh my God, did I buy this? Why did I buy this? And why was I duped to buying this? And how come I never saw that beauty influencer use this product that she raved about that everybody must have ever again on her channel? Okay, so this is why I decided to do this video right here to answer those questions or to raise new ones. And if you, my Bella babes, have products in your arsenal that you are regretting buying or that you don't understand why the heck they're even there to begin with, hit me up in the comment section below and let's laugh at each other together, because I'm sure we can all appreciate being duped to buy a product that you never, ever, ever, ever used. Let's get into it. So the first one, I gotta admit, it pains me to say this because I do know that there are some people who really loved this product when it came out. I was not one of them. It is from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Galaxy eyeshadow palette. Okay, sure, the colors are kind of cool. They're all shimmer shades, but this is not a palette that I reach for at any time. I thought I would use this in the holiday season, gearing up to the holiday season. See, it's got the fun blues, it's got this one, it's got you know, this bronzy color here. It's not something I gravitate to, and to be quite honest, since I discovered the world of Pat McGrath, I think her shimmers are far more superior and they go on so beautifully that I don't even think about this product at all. Okay, so disclaimer here, I did love the first foray into this partnership between Makeup Shayla and ColourPop, but this, proceed with caution. I gotta admit, I wasn't really loving it. I used it and I will continue to use it just because, you know, I bought it and I have it, but this color story to me did not wow me. I think I bought it on the strength of who it was and the fact that it was such a great first partnership that I thought this would be good as well, even though I wasn't really wowed by the colors. And then I got it and I was like, yeah, you're right, dummy. You don't like this. So why did you buy it? But alas, it's here and I'm stuck with it. So there you go. Okay, this is FOMO at its heightened. This is the It's My Ray Ray and BH Cosmetics palette. This I got strictly because I missed out on the first foray that everybody loved. Everybody loved the first palette. So I was like, oh good, she's got a second palette out. Let me grab it up before it sells out and I'm not able to buy it again. Well, I got it, and again, color story is not something that electrifies me. It's not something I'm wowed by. I'm not really that cool on BH Cosmetics shadows. I think this is the first BH Cosmetic palette I got, maybe the second, but I didn't use the first one. So what in God's name made me think I was going to use this one? I don't know. I used it once for a really pretty yellow look, and I do like the yellows in here. They do show up very nicely on the skin, but other than that, I have better purples than this. I have better blues than this. I have better teals than this. But I got it. I'm stuck with it. And so I'm going to sit in it. And I'm going to use it. And I might use it at a upcoming video very soon, just because I need to use it up and hit pan so I know never again to buy this palette. Sometimes you gotta learn a lesson. Sometimes you gotta be hard on yourselves, Bellas. This is one of them. Okay, this next palette is a prime example of when people show you who they are, believe them the first time. That is because this Beauty Bakery palette was something I should not have bought. I bought it off the strength, again, of a very popular beauty influencer who said, oh, this is a palette you must have, you must support. She's a fellow black woman. Let's do it. I even used it in a recent video that I will link somewhere in here. And then, once again, the company reared its ugly little head. So the first time I was trying to get this palette and it was sold out. And so I emailed customer service to ask them, hey, are you planning to restock this? If so, I'd like to get information on when I can get it. And I got the most nastiest response back from their customer service. So much so that I was like, why am I spending my money to get this? But alas, I did, and I got it, and I immediately regret getting it. It's very pigmented, I will give it that, but this color story does nothing for my skin. It does not enhance it in any way. This is supposed to be a contour shade. It's very glittery. It acts more like a highlight for a deeper skin tone than mine, than a bronzer or a contour. This one here, You're Grounded, is the only one I can kind of get away with. This one as a blush is way too pigmented. Even for the look that I did recently, I just tapped my brush in very lightly because I knew I was going to pick up a lot of product with this and use it for my face. It worked out rather nicely with just a tap, but if you go in any heavier than that, you're going to get a lot of powder into the palette, and you're also going to get too much onto your face. So it's a no for me, dog. I don't think I will ever buy anything from this company again. And if you want more information on that, why don't you go and check out Twitter and see what the company had to say most recently, and then tell me if you want to buy this product or anything else from this company. I'm just saying. Okay, so this next product, I can't blame anybody but myself. I saw this in a Sephora a while back, And I said, oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful. Let me get it. Without really understanding what this product is. It is a highlighting mist, and it's in a rose gold color, which I thought would be great because I have rose gold highlights. I can use this to like pump it up. Maybe I can use a little bit on the eyes. It says it's for the face. But, you know, maybe I can use it on my shoulder blades. Maybe I can use it on my décolleté. You know, maybe, you know, I can remix it a little bit. No. I sprayed this on a beauty blender and it started leaking. Then I tried to put it on my face and it was just a disaster. So I can honestly say I've used this one time and never again. And this is why I cannot be trusted in Sephora alone for stuff like this. Why did I buy that? Why? And every time I see this, and this is why I still have it, to torture myself, because I say, you know what? This is why you have to research every product before you buy, because you buy stuff like this that you think is going to work, and then you get at home and you try it one time and realize, oh yeah, that was a gimmick. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. Okay, and if that didn't convince you that I need supervision in Sephora, perhaps this will. This is the Natasha Genoa Gold Glow. Now I laugh because I actually read the reviews on this product and still bought it. Who does that? This girl. That's who. I thought for some strange reason, oh, it's not going to do that to me. It'll be better for me than those. I can work this. Well, these colors here are like gold disco balls. So you put it on, and no matter how light you tap, no matter what brush you use, because I even demonstrated again here on the side of my face with my new brush from Wayne Goss. This is his new artist brush, and I use this brush, tapped it into the product, and very lightly went across my cheek. As you can see, even blue squirrel hair picks up this product, and even as a light tap, it's just a glittery mess. So believe it when they tell you it doesn't work. Stop thinking you can remix a product and make it better. Okay, and then this product was strictly out of FOMO. Fear of missing out. This is the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out. This is her cream bronzer in the shade Chocolate, which is her deepest shade. Why would I buy the deepest shade, you ask? I'm not the deepest shade. I should have bought 5 or 4. But when I went to purchase it, 5 was sold out, and I thought 4 might be too light. So I went ahead and said, okay, get the 6. You can use it just sparingly and it'll work for you. No, it just looks like somebody went poo-poo on the side of my face. And again, no matter how lightly I tap it, no matter how much I try to blend it, it still to me looks like poo-poo on the face. Not a good look. So I am going to keep it because I do have other people who are much deeper than me, and I am going to use this in my kit for those skin tones. But for me, it just does not work. Alright, and now we have the last product that I regret buying, and it is again another collab from Makeup Shayla. This one is the Makeup Shayla and Maybelline collab, the Colossal Mascara. Now, I like the brown one. I like the black one. I even like the blue one, but something about the purple one I just could not get into. It didn't look like it worked for me. So I never even opened it because I tried the small tester that I got and I was like, yeah, no, this is not going to be good for me. So I am going to put this in a giveaway for my Bellas. As you know, I'm slowly approaching that 2K. So I think one of my babes might get a better like out of this product than I do. Everybody is different. So just because I don't like purple mascara doesn't mean one of my Bella babes out there doesn't like purple mascara. And it's not all that pigmented, so you can get away with it if you are into purple like that. I, for one, am not really into purple like that. I bought it because I also bought the blue one and I also bought the black one, so I figured, why not? I used the black, I used the blue, never used the purple. So there you have it. And that is all of the things so far that I regret buying. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to the Bella Brigade, what you waiting for? Hit that button, turn it from red to gray, and make it stay that way by watching a full video and then leaving me a comment in the comment section below. I love hearing from my babes. Until next time, you have been Bellafied. Take care.